Hello everyone, I'm Pita. I'm the owner of Pita's Planters and we are located in East Dallas. We are a little bit hidden in the plaza. We are located at the corner of Casa Linda Plaza near Rodeo Goat. And I'm super excited to announce that we're now starting to ship some of our items. For now, we're only shipping our 3D printed and handmade items, but in the spring, we are hoping to start shipping plants as well. So you can visit our website at pitasplanters.com or just come shop in person.
Y'all, I am so excited to be here. This is my, I don't know, fifth, sixth time being here. Thanks to both Richie and Steve for introducing me to Pita and her beautiful plant shop. And not only that, she allowed us to come into her space, into her shop, and also record episodes of Cultivation Corner, our plant podcast. So that we are truly thankful for. And I mean, as you see, she has absolutely so many beautiful, healthy plants. And it just goes on and on. And this planter right here, this is actually 3D planter that she makes in-house, y'all. And she's also shipping them from her website. So if you just go to pitasplanters.com, you'll find all these beautiful pots. And she also has like plant accessories as well. And she said during the spring, they are hoping to ship plants. So we are very excited about that, because I know from my last video I did from Pita's Planters, some people were wanting to know she did ship plants. She doesn't now, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it's coming very soon. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't want a cute alocasia plush keychain holder? Like, seriously, come on, y'all. Only reason why I don't have all of these things is because, trying to stay in a budget. But y'all, trust me, if funds were unlimited, I would clean Pita out. Especially, I'll show a little bit later in the video, she has Monstera earrings and Therium earrings. So for us ladies, like, we have to support plants like on our ears as well as supporting a Latina-owned plant shop. Am I right, or am I right? Okay, so if you haven't already, you need to mark your calendars for February 18th, 7:30 Central Standard Time, because season 2 will be premiering that day. We are so excited. And not only that, to open our premiere of season 2 will be Lupita. So you have to see it. So make sure you set all the things, your notifications, your timers, and get ready for season 2. Okay, so if you haven't, you will notice a trend throughout this video. These amazing prices, y'all. And look, this is a Florida mixed with the Billy. Look, like the stems, the shape of the leaves, it has like the perfect mix of both plants. Y'all, look at these beautiful, beautiful anthuriums. This is Clarinarium. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but look how healthy like those leaves are. It's such a beautiful plant, but me and me and anthuriums, we have a love-hate relationship. And here is another beautiful 3D planter. Y'all just need to buy it. She has it in red and I want to say pink, but like I mentioned earlier, just go on her website online and look at all the goodies that she has. And also, as you see, she is fully stocked. So this was actually on a Tuesday morning. They're closed on Tuesdays. However, Lupita was so just generous and nice. She let both Richie and I come to the store to film and then also of course talk and socialize, and it was really great. She's just like, I was telling Richie this on the way home. I was like, she's just like so down to earth. Like, you just like, if you're local in the DFW area, you just need to meet her and you'll know what I'm talking about. And throughout the whole shop, she does have these absolutely adorable propagation stations, so many different kinds. I'll show some more a little bit later in the video. And she has like adorable Monstera ones. Like, come on. It's, it's just so cute. And then she has another kind of 3D printed planter, which is the I'm Rooting For You right here, the pink one. Isn't this adorable? And I love it. Like, it's lightweight and it's just perfect. Honestly, with this you can do so many different kinds of plants in this planter. I think that baby pink, it just complements so many different ones. And you'll see on some of these plants that there are stickers with paw prints on it, which I absolutely love. So all the plants that does have the stickers with the paw prints on it, that just means that they are pet friendly plants. If you say that like really fast, it's a tongue twister. But yeah, pet friendly plants. And so I love that. So if you do have you know, animals and they are always wanting to get into your plants or your soil or chew on them, then you know what kind of plant to get. I want it all, Richie.
You need it all. Are you gonna buy me a Christmas present?
Yes,
Silver
in
Hero.
December.
Oh my god.
I know, isn't that gorgeous? So here is pitasplanters.com. Here's just an overview of her website. And not only that, these adorable pots that I was telling you about, the 3D printed ones, it's only $25. Like, come on. And look, the earrings, yes, the propagation stations. It's so cute. So whenever you get time, just please go browse the website and look at all the goodies that she has. What's that, Richie?
It's a strawberry shake, only for $32, y'all. 32.
This
is
leaf
a
is
want or a need?
gorgeous. Oh my goodness.
Is it a want or a need?
I think that's a need. Look at that variegation.
Steven is for you. Call Steven. You should send him a photo.
Y'all, yeah, oh my gosh, y'all, look, this is an Aglaonema papuma. Whenever I saw this, my heart was literally fluttering the whole time. It's the rounded leaves for me. It's the rounded leaves, like absolutely stunning. And one of the biggest regrets of my life was not buying this plant, so. As you see, the plants here are just absolutely stunning, and these are like the royalty pretty plants. And this Bro Marks flame, oh, it is still on my wish list, y'all. I really, 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 really times 100 want this plant, but maybe one day.
Too, though they sell pretty good. Pita, I think.
It's so pretty. Do they grow fairly fast-ish?
Yes. Yeah. But you need to give them a lot of light.
Okay.
They get leggy if you don't.
Look at this beautiful combination of one of her 3D planters and the hanging plant. I think that looks so cute. And not only does she have all the awesome plant accessories and obviously house plants, but she also has things like this. So this is pest prevention treatment for all the mites, all the itis, and it's natural distilled water and all of the beautiful oils. So she does have this throughout the shop. And on the right hand side, as you just saw, there are actually like plant related gift cards, not gift cards, like birthday cards and things like that, which I absolutely love. Okay, those of you who are local in DFW, Texas, screenshot this just so you can have it. And even if you live a little bit further out, just take the drive and visit Pita's Planters. You will not regret it.
I'm printing another one of these guys.
Oh my gosh. I've always been fascinated by it.
Isn't it so cool?
No, it really is.
It's so fun.
Before I went down the rabbit hole, you know, of course, when you search one thing, then your algorithm's just all that.
And
Hours and
showing
hours.
you.
Just
Yeah.
people printing stuff.
It's so fun to watch too.
How long does it take? Or I guess for this one?
For that one, about an hour and a half to 2 hours. That's the thing. It is very slow.
Oh, okay.
For some planters, it'll take up to like 8 hours, 9 hours. 10
Oh, wow.
hours. Plastic made from, it could be made either from recycled plastic, or it could also be made from, what is the base material? It's an organic base material.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really interesting. And overall, pretty sustainable too.
Yeah. Have you ever just sat here and stared at it? I guess when you first started doing it,
Oh
just
yeah,
like
I was like
looking the whole time.
so
That would be me.
cool. It's so fun.
Okay. Oh, that's so cool. And it's done.
Oh, and this part here. So when you print it, places like this need support because otherwise it would just be printing on air. So this part just snaps off like that.
Oh.
Because that is just the support for it to print fine.
So we can, okay, hold
and then
it in
that
place.
just comes off.
Awesome.
Just like this.
Love those. Y'all need to come buy it. What's the name of this one again?
That one is Esmeraldense. No, I was wrong. It's the
Esmeraldense. Uh-huh.
Radiatum.
Radiatum. Wow. How many escaletos is too many escaletos? Asking for a friend.
Do you need me to film that for you? Give me.
Yeah, you were busy.
You
I
need to
didn't
get-
want to interrupt you.
You want to get?
Here is 2/3 of Cultivation Corner. Steve, we totally missed you here. Richie, are you getting this today at Pita's Planters?
I am. It's my Valentine's gift for myself. Look at this.
Look at that variegation.
Philodendron Pink Princess Marble Galaxy. Look at that variegation, y'all. Cultivators, you need this.
You need it
today.
today.
I said it all aggressive.
Steve, we miss you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Pita.
Thank you.
So excited for my new plant. And y'all, look at our new stickers. Adorable. We love it. We love it.